you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know, say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girl, they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty from the grandma, you're pretty in a real life.
If you want pretty when I'm a bird, then you want for creamy. After all, now the loss of we had pan a call. 4 rifle in upon the wall. And my car, drive up, pull up on foot, boys, spread out like same day, yeah, better road like that. I owe me a couple dog, I must have need it. Better say no, better say loyalty before you fuck to the family, just try me mommy.
So guys, good morning. It's my last morning in Florida. Oh shit, it's kind of chilly. Oh Jesus, it's cold. So yeah, here's my chauffeur. She want to go look man, that's why she never want me to come with her. But I'm gonna get you something. Like she know what I want.
Come up on the block.
The guy, I can't remember what his name is, but you guys, I just went to Lulu's Holistics and I picked up some stuff, you know, because I always wanted to go there and support, you know what I'm saying. Let me just show you guys what I got. That's a well needed swimming little scar. I got the body conscious, the body conscious butter. I got the extreme this whoa, it's so cool when you see these people in real life. Now I think I know what you guys feel like when you guys see us. Tiani. It's like looking at a celebrity. But yeah, and I got the turmeric lip balm in the raspberry tint. So yeah, we're leaving now. And seeing she couldn't come in there 5 minutes earlier.
You would have said, oh, Diani.
Yeah, I swear to God, I love her. I'm sorry, but I love her.
Never said name. I
No, what I said.
That's the only thing when we get turned out with our insurance star or something.
Oh.
Like.
But yeah. So yeah, that's what I got. And yeah, we're heading back to Jacksonville because it's time for Booty to go home. And Shade needs to sleep because Shade is tired. She's very tired. Can I get a talk truth? Bye guys. On her way, guys. I gotta look at my mustache, bro. Hold tight.
Nothing but love for you. Just the way you treat me, baby. I got nothing but love. Summer goes so then every night we'll lay out in the bed. You tell me what you're going through. All I want is to protect you.
Hey guys, so I'm at the airport. I just got to Jacksonville airport. I just checked in, got through TSA check-in and all of that stuff. I'm so sad that girls weekend is over, but shout out to my babies, like shout out to my babies for come in clutch when they were especially needed at this time in my life. They begged me. This was the second time that they begged me to come out. To breeze out, you know, like you just need good people in your life. Like when things are happening, you want to make sure that you have people around you who are supportive no matter what, and who you can go to just to talk to about anything. You know, not to be judged, but just to be a shoulder to lean on and stuff like that. And don't get me wrong, I have my friends in Toronto, but there's not really that like much I could do to like leave and go to Toronto and stuff like that. So it was just the easiest thing, and they were just like, yo, come out, you know, relax, take your mind off of things. I walked a lot though, so like my foot is kind of like in a lot of pain and it's really swollen, but it was worth it. Yeah, like it was so worth it. Like it went by fast, but it didn't in a sense, and I'm kind of like, I'm happy, like, you know, like I'm okay with going home, like, you know. So yeah, I said bye to Sandy and Mommy Mags this morning, and then Sammy this afternoon, and then Day just dropped me off, so she's heading home now. And yeah, it was fun. It was really, really fun. Not everything went as planned, but majority of everything that we wanted to do went as planned, which is really good. It worked out in our favor. And so my eyelash, I fell asleep with it on last night, so I said I was not taking it out because I was gonna look cute on this flight. But yeah, back to work tomorrow and whatever. Yeah, this was a good little, I'm gonna start doing a lot more of these, like just fly out for the weekend and go somewhere, you know. It's a good little reset button on life, and trust me, I needed it after the last couple months that I've had. I definitely fucking needed it. I'm about to lose my motherfucking passport, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlogs. You know, get ready for our next trip though, like that's gonna be litty. Sammy and Sandy are going away in the next couple of months. I'll be going away again in the next couple of months, and then when we get back, we'll be planning our trip. We're gonna try to do like an annual trip, or try to do a trip around someone's like birthday. Me and Sandy's birthdays are closest, and then Day and Sammy's birthdays are closest, so we're figuring we would either do 2 or pick a birthday and travel for that. So stay tuned for that. I love my friends, you guys don't even understand, like they're not even my friends, or my sisters. And stay tuned for, I don't know if by the time this video has gone up, if the video that we did together will be up. If it is, check it out. If it's not, look out for it. And what else do I want to say? I don't know what else I want to say. I keep saying that I'm going to talk about what it is, but I feel like it is what it is. It's hard because I feel like I owe it to you guys, but at the same time, it's like, you know, but I feel like I chose this life, like, to come out here and share personal stuff, and it can help somebody else, like, who's going through it, or who has been through it, to know that there's other people out there that they can relate to. Not necessarily that I have to tell everything, but like I can share my experience in life. Like, it's not like I did anything necessarily wrong or whatever. So yeah, but just stay tuned, okay? But just know that I am rebirthed. I'm totally different, really. Like, not totally, but a lot has changed in my life that has changed me as a person, and not in any bad way, but yeah, there's just a lot that I just won't put up with anymore. I know who I am, what I want, what I'm worth, what I deserve, and I'm not settling for less in any aspect of my life anymore. So yeah, so there can only be good things from here. I mean, of course, there's going to be bumps along the road. Hell, like, it's life. Nothing's going to be perfect or straight and narrow. So yeah, but I'm excited for this next chapter in my life. 27, 28 was a eye-opening year for me. It started like 27 started off amazing, and then 28 just started off like like whoa. So I'm just looking forward to everything else that God has in store for me. I trust in him, and I know he knows what I want, and he knows my heart, so I'm not worried about anything. So see you guys later. I love you guys so much for your love and support, all your kind words, for noticing things and just waiting for me to come out and say things, but being very observant and caring about my feelings and the people that I have around me in my life. Like, for you guys to notice certain things and stuff like that just shows, like, you know. So yeah, but yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Don't know when that is, but I'll catch you guys the next time. Love you guys. Bye. Y'all, I'm on a motherfucking site with Young Chuck. He looked me in my eyes. Oh my god. Oh my god.